Hello everyone, I'm Rochelle and welcome to my channel. I will be sharing with you all how to make shrimp and creamy cheddar grits, a fairly quick and easy recipe that you can prepare in no time at home for your family. Alright, so I'm starting out by boiling 4 cups of water for my grits. Alright guys, so I prefer using the quick 5-minute grits instead of the old-fashioned grits, whether it's for breakfast or for this recipe, simply because the end result is always much creamier for me. And as you can see here, I added in 1 full cup of grits to my 4 cups of boiling water. And then I will add in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter because that's just what I have on hand. And during this time, I made sure to stir it so that way it wouldn't stick to the bottom or clump up. And while that is thickening my grits, of course, I'm going to get started on my shrimp. Alright, so in my cast iron, I have about 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm adding in 1 pound of large shrimp, and then I will begin to season it to my liking. So feel free to check the description box for the full list of seasonings and ingredients if you plan on making this recipe. Okay, so now that my shrimp is finished, I'm moving on to the grits. Now I had them on low heat while I was cooking the shrimp, and I'm just giving them a quick stir to make sure no lumps formed. Then I will add in some heavy cream. Now if you don't have heavy cream, feel free to replace that with some milk. It'll be just fine. It's just that the heavy cream makes it a little more rich. And then finally, I will add in 1 full cup of extra sharp cheddar cheese. And just like that, the meal is complete. As I stated at the beginning of the video, this recipe is super quick, super easy, and extremely delicious because the grits are so creamy and you got that sharp cheddar in there, and the way the shrimp was cooked and the butter and the seasoning, it's absolutely delicious and mouth-watering. So thank you again for watching my video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, bye-bye.